What's up, guys? Just filming another one for you here. My friend just rented me this motorbike. It's a Yamaha. Check this out. Super thankful, Sandy, for you renting me this bike. It's Yamaha NMAX. I think it's a 155cc, very powerful. And just gonna take it out to Patong Beach right now, drive across the coast, get a lot of epic footage, and stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I.
We're here at Chalon Temple. It's a very beautiful temple in Thailand, Buddhist. Look around. Yes, it's a very nice country temple. Everything in Phuket. Very beautiful, very natural, natural beauty. Very good luck, So far, Thailand has been very good luck for me everywhere I go. And this temple is very nice. It's like what you made the other night. Oh, so good.